Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So let's start with something really simple. I'm going to go ahead and pick a number, which I'm going to do 132, and let's do plus 46. Now this can be really simple to solve it. The first thing you want to do is do 100, and then you could take the 40, so let's just go ahead and do that. This is easier when you have 3 digits plus 3 digits, but you can also do it like this, which gives you 140. That's really simple. And then we've got 30, which will plus the 6 to that, which is 36. And then we can take this number, so the 2 right here, we can go ahead and take these numbers. So let's go ahead and do 140 plus 36. So that is equals to 176. Now we're not done because we still have this 2 right here. This 2 right here. We did not do anything to this. We just got to take this number and we're going to add 2 to it, which gives us 178. This right here is our total. Let's go ahead and do another one. Whoop. Oh, come on. There we go. This one will be a little bit more challenging, but will still be easy. Let's go ahead and do 272 plus 71. Now, what we can do is we could do 200 plus 70, just like before, which gives us 270. Next, we've got 70 plus 1, which is equals to 71. And then we've got to take these numbers together, which we know 270 plus 71 is 341. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then we're going to take that number, just like we did before. And then we're going to add our 2 to it. That was right here. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we get 343. So this is a really simple strategy that you can use to be able to solve 3-digit by 2-digit numbers. It can work for pretty much anything, like a 10-digit plus a 1-digit, but I'd say do something like a 3-digit by a 2-digit. Anything higher than that also works. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can see you in another video soon, and bye.